Merry Christmas, everyone! So, today's Christmas, and in honor of it being Christmas, I thought I'd do a little Christmas get ready with me. Right now, I'm in my Christmas PJ fit. I'm going to be getting ready with you guys. I did my hair already, but I'm like keeping it in a bun for now. And then I'm just gonna do my makeup and pick out an outfit and do my skincare. With me. Let's get into the video. I should have gotten a Christmas makeup bag. That would have made this so much more Christmassy. All right, so here we have my little jade roller, this thing. Let's just pretend this is red, and then it's Christmas colors. I love Christmas. It's literally like one of my favorite holidays because presents, food, Jesus' birth, all the good things in one. Now we're gonna do this thing. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I did in another of my videos and I sounded stupid, but it's fine. Anyways, I was gonna do so many like holiday videos and I just like school, life, everything. I needed like more reminders, so I like, and obviously I did get lots of reminders. Paula, if you're watching this, I know you are. Thank you for all the reminders. I will listen to you next year, I promise. We are gonna start off with moisturizer. So the moisturizer I use is the L'Oreal Paris Moisturizer Hydrant. It's so pretty. I love this one so much. Should be using sunscreen, but my sunscreen isn't in my bag. Don't know why. It's fine. Like, it's so dark and gloomy because it's winter. But it's Christmas, so but I'm kind of glad it's raining. It snowed for like the past week. Couldn't even leave my house. I was literally trapped inside my room. Technically, I could have cleaned it, but why would I do that? I'm gonna start with mascara. My mascara routine has changed so much over like the past few months. I got telescopic finally this summer and it's literally all I use. And then I used to use Colossal on its own, but it weighed my lashes down a lot. So you mix them together. Perfect combination. Also, this sweater jingles. It's too cute. Okay, let's do my eyelashes now. I don't know if you can see that well. Let me bring it up closer for you. But like, look at the difference. Uncurled, curled for a minute. It already looks like 10 times better. I might turn the light on in here because I feel like it's a little dark. Can you guys see better now? Next, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna clean it up and you'll see that it looks amazing. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender now. Foundation is a Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation. This is a really good one. And I lost my headband again, which I'm really sad about. It's so helpful when I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna take the Speckle Laura Geller one. And there's like nothing in this, but I put as much as I can up like that. Like I said, there's literally nothing in here, so I'm like doing my best. Next is my favorite blush, and I grabbed the wrong one. It's the Morphe Maddie Ziegler in Very Good, and it looks so good, especially for winter. Put it on my cheeks and also on my lips. And then I blend with the Beauty Blender first. And then to really make sure it blends, I use this really big brush. Now, my lip gloss, this is the matching one, Butterfly Kiss. It came with the blush, which is really nice. It's a really cute lip combo. And I love lip gloss. It's literally one of my favorite things. Gorge. So here's my finished makeup look. It's giving Christmas. It's giving ho ho ho. Now I'm gonna get changed. Okay, it's kind of cute actually. I'm loving it. It's cute. Okay, Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment down below what your favorite part of the holiday season is. If you don't like this video, don't give it a dislike. Comment down below what videos I should make instead. And I'll see you guys in my next video.